How to fix vibration not working on Samsung Android phone. So if your vibration is not working on your Android phones or Samsung phones, then it's the same thing. What you need to do is first, you just need to go for your settings and go for apps. Under apps, you just need to choose the app in which you are not receiving the vibration. So for example, if I'm not receiving any vibration or vibration is not working in this application, then what you need to do is you just need to go and turn on the notifications, because if you have not turned on the notification, then you won't be able to receive any notification from that application. So simply go and turn on the notification from the application. Once you've turned on the notification, then you will receive the vibration or the notification. But if your notification is turned on, then what you need to do is go back and under the apps, go for see all apps and go for the search for settings application. Once you're here on the settings, go for storage and cache, go for clear cache. And once you've cleared your cache, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then it might be something with your device itself. You just need to go for the nearest service center and you just need to check your device. And there is a last fix. You can also restart your device or force restart your device. Simply tap and hold on to that power button, go for restart and restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. In many cases, restarting fixes many problems, so just restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.